It's a humanitarian disaster of epic proportions with no end in sight. Rescue efforts are underway, but damaged infrastructure is hampering aid delivery to flood-hit areas. Here in the Sindh province, thousands of people are left homeless, and the recent flooding has caused another trouble, a surge in waterborne diseases. Local hospitals are packed with patients suffering from dehydration and high-grade fever. Officials say more than 3,800 cases of dengue fever have been reported, and there are concerns the numbers could be much higher. Pakistan has been hit by heavy downpours in June, a month earlier than the usual start of the monsoon season. The country received nearly 190% more rain than it usually gets in the season. Authorities have linked the extreme weather to the climate crisis and called for tougher measures to tackle it.
Let SCO stand up and build a wall against this menace. This injustice has befallen upon us. Our carbon emission is less than 1%.
Pakistan has already received plane loads of international aid, but the scale of the devastation has urged officials to seek more help. It's estimated that the floods have caused $10 billion in damages, but it will take months, even years, to rebuild homes and return to normal lives. Axel Zaimovic, TRT World.